Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Today, we're going to talk about an awesome supplement, Astaxanthin. This natural antioxidant is becoming very popular because of all the benefits it has for our health. First, what is Astaxanthin? It's a red pigment found in some foods like salmon, trout, and algae. Most importantly, it helps fight oxidative stress and inflammation in our bodies. When might it be a good idea to take it? Astaxanthin is known for helping with fatigue, muscle soreness, and eye health. It's also very popular among athletes because it improves performance and recovery after exercise. And how does it work? Astaxanthin works by eliminating free radicals from the body, which are what damage cells. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce pain and swelling. Let's talk about dosage. To begin with, it's normal to take between 4 and 12 milligrams a day. To continue treatment, you can take between 4 and 8 milligrams daily. It's important to take it with foods that contain fat so your body can absorb it better. Now, let's talk about side effects and things to keep in mind. Although astaxanthin is generally safe, some people may experience mild side effects such as an upset stomach or changes in stool color. It's important to always consult with a doctor before you start taking any supplement. In short, astaxanthin is a very powerful antioxidant with a lot of health benefits. Remember to take the recommended dose and pay attention to any side effects. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a like if you enjoyed it. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.